Hello, this is Amun from Cozy Themes. So let's talk something about Query Loop Block. Now, what Query Loop Block does is it fetches the existing post from your site. So if we just want a list of posts, what we want to do with this query loop block is we can start blank, and these are some of the presets that can be started with query loop blocks. So let me choose this image, date, and title format. And what we can do is we can set it up either in this list view or a grid view. So let me set it up in a grid view, and let me adjust the layout a bit now. Okay, and let me quickly save this format. And uh, is this query type option? There are two options available right now. So first, let's work with the custom one. So what this custom option enables us is we can apply our own query to fetch all the posts. So query is simply some of the filters that can be applied to fetch the certain amount of posts or certain categories of post. So here are the post type selection option, and here's this order by option, and either to include or exclude the sticky posts. So this is the count, the number of posts that get displayed. So let me quickly save this option. Okay, so that's how the query loop fetches all the posts. Now, what we can add in this post template block is there's this excerpt option. So this fetches either the custom set excerpt or the excerpt created by the post content. Let me decrease that, and that's how the element of the post are fetched. So right now I have these available categories. So let me quickly show you how you can filter the post based on categories. So we click on the filters and apply a filter based on category. Okay, so let me quickly add a category so that way we have the category displayed for each of the posts. Okay, there we go. That's the posts filtered by this Android category. And that's pretty much how we fetch posts and apply custom filters. Now let's talk about the default query type and how it's generally used. Now, in order to do that, um, let's navigate to the archive template. Okay, and as you can see, there's this default option selected. So what this does is it fetches the post based on the templates filter. Meaning, if we view the post based on this category, this goes to the archive template, and the filter gets applied based on this category. So similarly, if we click this iOS option or iOS category, the post related to this category gets displayed. So that's how the query type default works. So if we change that to custom, this is how the posts get rendered. So we need to apply the default query in order to get the template working. So that's the core difference between the query type options.